Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name's Leif, and for those of you who I haven't met, I used to go to Strata. I also graduated high school from Site a few years ago, and my friend Quinn, who I was in a class with since we were 12 or 13, just messaged me asking if I'd be willing to share a short video about my time at Strata and how that helped me with what I'm doing now. I was really lucky that I was the first class who got to be in the new Strata location in Ancaster. I remember getting there and being super excited about the idea of the cafe. And so I applied to be the cafe manager. And as a 13-year-old, we had to learn how to write a resume, how to write a cover letter. I remember going to an interview with one of the guides where I had to share my ideas for how we could improve the cafe. And I wanted to use the kitchen to cook food for the parents. And I ended up getting to be the cafe manager, and alongside a group of my friends, we created a menu. We had to learn how to make it comply with the health authorities. We had to create staff scheduling. We had to train other students on how to make the menu and create an order system and design the flow of the cafe and the setup and which tablecloths we were going to use. Which, looking back on it, was crazy that we got that opportunity at a young age, but it really gave me a baseline of skills and confidence to then get a job at a local restaurant. And from there, really, I got to work across Canada in a bunch of different restaurants. But the cafe was not the only opportunity we had. You know, when I look back at my time at Strata, I really remember it as this place where there were guides who really let us dream and supported us in creating crazy ideas and learning the skills along the way. In our ecology class, we learned that water was leaching into the ravines, and we asked Justin if we could create a gray water system. And he literally let us drill holes in the floor. We rerouted pipes with the help of Phil and created this whole water recycling system in the kitchen. We'd sanitize the water and then use it to mop the floors. There was a ton of crazy projects. I think the only thing that I can remember ever being told that I couldn't do was creating a self-built composting toilet in a shower stall that the students would empty every Friday, and looking back on it, I think that was a very fair idea to shut down. But this mindset of being able to achieve things and figure out how to do it along the way really stuck with me. 2 years ago, I moved to Copenhagen with my family. And as I was working in all these restaurants, I saw a lot of food being wasted. And with this sort of Montessori mindset, I started to ask myself how we could solve this problem and how we could get food waste to people who were actually food insecure. And so, much like I did in the Strata kitchen, I started working with my friends. We started collecting bread waste from local bakeries. We started trying to figure out how to turn it into pasta. And 2 years later, I now have a company that I'm running with my business partner, Jorge. We have a small production facility in Copenhagen. We have a team of 7 people that's working on this project. And for each kilogram of pasta that we make and sell out of bread waste, we donate a portion to an organization that's helping feed people in need. And I honestly do not believe that I would be doing this if I didn't have the Strata and Montessori experience. And so, as a thank you and a hope that more children will get to have the experience that I did, I'm giving 1% of the shares I own in this company called Eat Wasted to Strata. So thank you for what Strata has given me. And if you're thinking about sending your child to Strata, just do it and stop considering if it's a good choice or not, because I promise you it will be. Hope the meeting goes well, and I hope to see you all soon. Thanks.